Every chocolate bar begins in warm, fertile soil. Only fully ripened pods are chosen.
Inside the fruit, chocolate is still hidden.
Raw beans begin their journey.
Quality is protected before fermentation begins.
Nature is guided, not rushed. Time and microbes shape the future flavor.
Next, the beans leave the land behind. After fermentation, movement must be immediate. Stability protects developing flavor. The farm releases its harvest. Distance compresses between nature and industry. Roots converge toward transformation.
Agriculture yields to controlled systems. Every entry is measured.
The process is logged and approved.
Here, cocoa meets industrial precision. Handled gently, flavor is preserved.
The flow is about to begin. Consistency is engineered immediately. Protection begins at the threshold. Outside gives way to control. Now, transformation truly begins.
Residual traces are stripped away.
Cleanliness is non-negotiable. Only the best proceed.
Moisture is reduced with care.
Preparation prevents contamination.
Human judgment refines the process.
Light becomes the decision maker. Now, cocoa is ready for its core transformation. The core transformation begins with heat. Roasting awakens hidden chemistry. Flavor develops through controlled exposure.
Seconds determine complexity.
The roast is locked in instantly.
Heat is stopped with precision.
Shells are removed, essence remains. Solid becomes fluid under force.
Chocolate takes its first true form.
Roughness disappears through repetition. Flow replaces friction. Flavor deepens through motion and air.
Bitterness fades. Palance emerges.
Consistency is protected by data.
Chocolate reaches full maturity. Stability preserves perfection.
How structure is defined.
Every gram measured exactly.
Uniformity is built into every bar. Temperature locks in the perfect snap.
Automation replaces repetitive strain with consistency. Traceability is embedded at every stage. Safety is invisible but uncompromising. Now, refinement meets efficiency. Presentation begins with precision alignment. Every bar dressed identically.
Identity marks quality and authenticity.
Perfection is verified automatically. Safety is never compromised.
Human eyes confirm machine precision. Finished products pause before delivery. Science validates craftsmanship.
Each batch is sampled meticulously. Mass determines consistency.
Perfection is inspected, not assumed.
Flavor confirms quality.
Numbers ensure confidence in every bar.
Controlled conditions preserve quality.
Proved chocolate moves to its final form.
Perfection is verified one last time. Every bar finds its container. Precision ensures uniformity.
Identity marks every bar. Identity marks every bar. Organization meets efficiency.
Inventory waits in structured order. Prepared for delivery, each bar carries precision.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.